Where's Ollie with the motherfucking?
Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride.
Good morning, everyone. God has let me live another day, and I am about to make it everyone's problem.
That it's on, call her girls and she rolling up. Hit the party, it's going up. Shake that, work that, move that, yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though.
My heel's so high, might get a nosebleed. Music so loud, but I hear your heartbeat. We were driving down Sunset. No, I love fast cars. Passed by where we first met.
Promiscuous, my style is ridiculous. If you see us in the club, we'll be acting real nice. If you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
But when he loves me, I feel like I'm floating. When he calls me pretty, I feel like somebody.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy, yeah. I'm going in tonight.
Yeah, cause I see that shit. Give him a job and he gave me a rim. It was too long, so he gave me a.
I'm the girl you die for. I'll chew you up and I'll spit you out. Cause that's what young love is all about.
I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed.
Grab my head, make me gag, ho. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Hold my head when I shake it, shake it. Take it, take it, take it, take it. This ass bad, it ain't basic, basic. Take it.
People get exhausted trying to figure me out, and I just let them.
Look, better than your favorite bad bitch. Turned the whole world into a savage. Middle finger in all of my pictures just to remind y'all I ain't having it.
I'ma break this bitch, this metal down. So I fucking up what's next.
Fucking on your bitch, she a whole thought. Yep. And a bitch eat a lot. She fuck me and suck me, she a thought.
Yo, let's set the sex talk. Give it to me good, take them drawers off. He can hit it from the back, take it all off. You ain't gotta.
You so crazy. I think I wanna have your baby.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man.
Yes, he is.
Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to say wrong. I admit it's exciting. Why some me gonna like it?
That my letter when she clap for him. That my letter when she clap for him. That my letter when she clap for him.
Clap for him. Moving my ass in these platforms.
I didn't name them random mouse.
Thugging in my Reeboks, ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot, Churkles make a big bucks. He make
Wake up, it's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up.
Say he wanna tap that, tap that. Give him my Snapchat, Snapchat. You bitches mad, mad, too bad. I be like,
Cause you're just a fuck boy. You're just a fuck boy. No, I don't need another fuck boy. It's fuck. You're just a fuck boy.
Head up, never let it hang down. When you stand up, make sure that you stand ground. Never worry what they say, just keep doing your thing. I'm gonna be okay.
Daylight.
She could dance like this. She makes a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Sí. Bonita. Sí. Mi casa. Yeah, su casa.
You ain't nothing but a lost cause, and this ain't nothing like it once was.
I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked.
Take off every piece of me until there's only skin on my body. He's what I want, I just cry. He's what I want, give me more time. And I just realized what have I done?
Can you pay the bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? Do you pay my automobile? I don't think you do.
I'd be fucked up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging.
I don't really got no tights.
I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know.
Forbidden fruit on apple juice, can I sip on the cup? Mix it with some 1942 and I'm hitting girl, you up. You chosen, fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing that you give it to me.
You never really actually killed anybody, did you? Did you? Did you, you pathetic worm?
And if you call me a bitch, make sure you put baddest in front of me. Whack ass.
My way, or the highway. My.
I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow.
348616. I got a missed call from your bitch.
Only you got me feeling like this. Oh, why?
On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping Missy up. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick?
Or is it love that I'm feeling for you?
See me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night, burning, it down.
Pink, 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 girls, girls, girls. Glitter, 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 twirls, twirls, twirls. Together forever, we're Linda and Heather, best friends.
From the back, from the back, from the back, from the back, from the back. I'ma beat that hoe from the back, beat that hoe from the back, beat that hoe from the back, beat that beat.
Didn't they tell us don't rush into things? Didn't you flash your green eyes at me? Didn't you calm my fears with a Cheshire Cat smile? Ooh. Eat your vegetables!
Come and get your girl. Yeah, she be tryna flirt. So I tell that wait, whoa, wait, whoa.
Molly's, perks, lean, pull me up. Down, you try that bitch. Down, you try that hoe. Yeah, I don't really give a fuck about that hoe. Give her nothing but the slow.
Say she tryna have my baby, but plan B the only plan.
Boy, you just my sneaker link.
I am?
So don't keep texting me.
Damn.
I'm not your bitch, stop checking me. You come last when he